One of the biggest queries I received on a regular basis is about how to get a glowing, clean and a brighter looking skin for any kind of festival or occasion or wedding party you need to attend, especially when you don't get the time to visit the salon and to invest like 1 or 2 hours in getting all the facials and cleanups done. So in this video, I'll be sharing a 3-step process which can really give you that beautiful glowing looking skin and a brighter looking skin as well. So if you're interested, keep on watching this video till the end. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanya Surana. I like to call myself a connector of possibilities. I'm a makeup artist, educator, a lifestyle consultant, a bridal makeover and skin consultant as well. In this video, I am going to share with you my 3 secret steps, which is not like secret, but sometimes I feel like, these 3 simple steps but effective steps are very underrated, and people try to search for more complicated and more newer stuffs to experiment with when it comes to their skincare regime. But trust me, no matter what treatment you go for, no matter what kind of facial you go for, no matter what kind of creams and different kind of salon treatments you go for, these are the things which are actually done with the help of those treatments as well. And without doing any further delay, I would like to share with you all these 3 steps which I personally also follow, because I'm someone, I don't go for facials. I follow a very good skincare daily routine, and whenever it comes to any festival or occasion or wedding, this 15-minute process is enough for me to get that perfectly glowing skin. And if you have met me in person, you know that I don't put highlighters on my face. Whatever glow is happening on my face, and whether it's stories, whether it is videos or whatever it is, it's all natural glowing skin, and this 15-minute process is the secret behind that glow. So let's talk about the point number 1, and that is exfoliation. So no matter what treatment you go for, exfoliation is the first step to remove all the dead skin cells, all the unwanted texture on your skin, the flakes, the dead skin layers which sit on your face, the suntan, the dirt, the pollution, everything can be removed only through proper exfoliation. And when you talk about exfoliation, I have divided this step into 2 different parts. Now it's your choice. You can choose both of the things. You can choose any one of them. That's completely on to you. But if you talk about my secret of getting that glowing skin and something which really works as a really deep exfoliation, then I would recommend you to follow these 2 steps together. So the first step of exfoliation which I follow is removing the unwanted hair from my face. Now, normally I have seen people go for skin bleaching, which I don't suggest, and I have an upcoming video coming really soon this month only, where I'll be talking about skin bleaching and everything about skin bleaching which you need to know. As of now, I personally use and I personally recommend using razor, a facial razor, which is like, I can't tell you guys, this is my go-to favorite to remove my unwanted facial hair, because this does not just remove your facial hair but also removes a dead skin layer from your face, and which you can always see whenever you will use it. So this is something which I highly recommend. And if you are wondering that this will make your hair grow a little thicker and faster and all of that, trust me, it's not going to do that, because thousands of my students and my followers have been using it after my recommendation, and there have been not a single time people have complained about it. So this is a go-to thing to exfoliate your skin and to remove that unwanted hair, because once you remove that unwanted hair, your skin becomes at least 1 tone brighter, because your natural hair color is black in color, and when it sits on your face, it kinds of create an illusion that it makes your skin look little darker. So once you remove that hair, you will see that a brighter and a clearer skin comes to the surface, and it feels like you are actually having a clear skin. So that really helps in looking brighter. So this is the first step of exfoliation which I would recommend. Now the second step is definitely scrubbing your face, and in this video, I'm not going to talk about a regular scrub. I'm going to talk about a special Insta Glow cream by Rasbelle. This is something which is actually the main secret of this entire video. Now this is a product which is not a regular scrub, it is an Insta Glow cream. So now what it does is it has very fine particles and in a huge quantity, which kind of gives you that microdermabrasion kind of effect on your face, which instantly smooths the texture of your skin, brightens your skin and brings that amazing glow which normally you experience only after getting 1 or 2 hours of facial, which you can actually achieve with this product. So this is the hero product of this video. So now I'll be showing you the texture of this particular product, and this is an amazing innovative product. This is not common. You will not find this kind of product usually in other brands. So if you can see, this is a cream-like texture, and if I show you this on my hands, which I don't know whether you will exactly get it or not on camera, but I'm just trying to explain you. So this is a kind of a creamy texture, and it has so fine particles that it will very smoothly, very nicely, it will just exfoliate your skin. And if I can put in words, it's like if you do scrubbing, this is 10 times more effective than a regular scrub. Now I guess you got the point what I'm trying to explain. And just on my hands I'll try to show you how the particles are and how it looks like, though it's so small that I don't think the camera can catch that, but still I can show you this. So it's very fine particles. It mildly and very deeply exfoliates your skin and brings out that glow. Because I can tell you one thing, guys, if your skin is having too much of dead skin layers and a lot of texture, that glow is normally hidden beneath that dead skin layer, and this particular product helps you in removing all those filters of dead skin cells from your skin and makes your true skin come out and shine brighter, and that's how it wonderfully works. And this is my favorite and go-to product, and I can't do without this product. So now let me tell you how to use it. So you have to wet your face and take a little bit amount and just do the 5 dots all over your face and wet your fingers and gently start rubbing it and using the same steps which you normally do while scrubbing. And after doing like 2 to 3 minutes, you have to rinse it off. Now the pressure of your hand will really depend on your comfort. If you have very sensitive skin, I would suggest use the lightest possible pressure you can actually put on your face. And if you have normal skin, not sensitive enough, see, it's your skin and your fingers, so you will always know how much pressure you are actually enjoying and how much it is not, okay? And because the exfoliating material in this is so finely milled that even if you do from your light hands, it will give you a very nice result at the end. So it really depends on the pressure of your hand, how much you can bear, and accordingly you can use the pressure to use it. And if you would like to know more about this, I will drop down the link in the description box below from where you can buy this product, and the team will guide you with the proper usage of that, so you can definitely consult with them before starting and buying this product out. Now let's get started with the point number 2. Now just understand one thing, we have removed all the dirt and the dirtiness from your skin, correct? Now your skin is very vulnerable currently after using these 2 processes of exfoliation. It's very fresh, the newer cells have come on the surface, and now the second step, which is a very important step which mostly people don't consider, is about toning. Now you have to tone your skin properly. So on a regular basis, as a delicate skin routine, you normally do your face wash and do the toning and then apply the moisturizer. But especially when you are following these 3 steps, what you have to do is you have to take a face mist or a toner which is specially alcohol free and free from any kind of harmful chemicals, because if you are using a harmful chemical or alcohol based toner, your skin will definitely burn, because you have just now exfoliated your skin, and that too deep process of exfoliation. Your newer cells have come out on the surface and your skin is very vulnerable at this point. So you can't afford using any chemical based toner or face mist. So please go for, this is something which I really recommend. This is for sensitive skin, again from Resbelle. Now this is something which smells amazing, which is so light on your skin, and this will never burn on your skin, and it will also calm down and cool down whatever little bit of redness will be having, because of course after a deep exfoliation little redness is very normal. and that settles down with time, and this particular face mist or toner will help you in calming your skin down very quickly. So what you have to do is you have to take the face mist. I'm not spraying right now because I'm having makeup, so you have to spray it nicely and let the water droplets drip literally, okay? That much wet you have to do, and then you have to use your finger and vibrating motions to make that, you know, your skin absorb the entire water content to hydrate your skin deeply. So once you have done that, once the entire water content is gone inside, take again the face mist and then again spray it the same way, and then do it once more. Now this, why 2 times? Because 2-time hydration actually ensures that your skin is deeply hydrated and calmed down properly, and that will really help that glow to come out like never before. So this is something which I have done since a lot of years, and I have experimented, my students, my clients have experimented with this, and honestly this works. This I haven't read anywhere or studied anywhere or anything like that. This is my own process which I follow, and it has worked every time because I understand skin. I understand how skin performs, reacts, functions, and from inside and from outside as well. So yeah, that's all the expert advice you're getting from me, because this is something which I really follow. So this is how you'll be using the face mist to hydrate your skin. Now let's talk about the third point, which is moisturizing. 3 steps: exfoliating, hydrating, moisturizing. No matter what treatment you go for in your entire lifetime, no matter what process they follow in the salons or maybe anywhere, these 3 things are the core of any kind of treatment, okay? Exfoliating, hydrating, moisturizing. Now let's talk about the moisturizing part. Now to moisturize, I would suggest to go for a oil-based face serum. Why? No matter what your skin type is, if your skin type is oily, you can use lighter oils, and if your skin type is dry, you can definitely go for little heavier oils, which really moisturizes your skin from within. And for that, I would recommend a face serum, which is oil-based face serum. So there are a lot of serums available in the market. They are water-based and a lot of other gel-based and all of that. But I personally love using oil-based face serums because these serums are more natural than the water-based and other serums, first of all. The second thing is, it is blended specially with lot of good luxurious oils which are available naturally in the nature. So of course that is not going to harm you and give you the benefit which you are looking for. And when you talk about oils, of course oils have that strength to give you that amazing glow. So I would again recommend a face serum from Resbelle. Now this is a hot selling serum, and in winters it sells like hotcake, okay? And this serum, I can't tell you in words how good it is and how magically it goes into your skin and it stays in your skin. So winters are coming and you must be attending a lot of weddings and parties and all of that. Now this serum will be a best friend for your skin because this will give you that glow, keep it moisturized, not allow it to flake and all those flakiness and the white patches which happens into the winter. So this is really going to take care of all of that. And when it comes to the usage, after exfoliating, you are done with your entire hydrating process via face mist. Now the third step will be to using a oil-based face serum. What you have to do is, if you have dry skin, you have to use like maybe 8 to 10 drops, and if you have oily skin, you can use 2 to 4 drops. It really depends, and you can ask the team and they will guide you properly how much you have to use actually based on your skin type. I have oily skin, so I use like 4 drops normally, but when it is too cold outside and my skin is becoming very dry, then I use sometimes maybe 8 or 10 drops as well, because your skin actually changes with the season. So normally I have oily skin, but towards the winter it becomes super dry. So yes, it works perfectly for that as well. So now you have to take the serum in your hand, dot it properly on your skin, and then very lightly, towards the upward motion, you'll start massaging. Now here is the point. Because I have told you it's a 15 minutes process, if you just want to complete it in 15 minutes, you can just put the facial oil and just little bit do the massaging so that the oil itself get absorbed into your skin in like 20-30 minutes. But if you have time, you can use the oil to massage your skin as well. Massage little bit points, and you can also follow the facial yoga steps as well, the facial yoga points, which is very trending these days, and if you are aware of it, you can use those motions as well with this serum. and yes, you are done, and your entire 15-minute process is done. And there is one important tip which you need to definitely follow if you want this entire step to work perfectly for you. Please do this during the evening or at night. Don't do it in the morning and just step out of the house in the sun. Your skin will get tanned very badly, your skin might burn, rashes can come, so I won't recommend it because it's a very deep exfoliation step. So don't do it in the daytime, always do it in the night time or in the evening time, so that you do it and after an hour or 2 hours or 3 hours you just go to sleep. Now when you have a good sleep, this is a bonus fourth point which you don't have to do, but it actually helps in the entire process, that when you sleep after this process, your skin relaxes, it provides that plumpness. When you wake up in the next morning, you will see 4 things when you wake up the next morning. First, your skin is baby soft. Second, your skin is glowing like stars. Third, your skin will have less texture or maybe no texture depending on what kind of skin you have. Now the fourth thing is you will feel healthy from within without any chemicals, without investing so many money and so much of time like 2-3 hours in the salon. During the festivals and wedding seasons, I can understand we run out of time and we have no time to get ready, but this 15-minute is worth investing, and this will really help you in getting that skin which you are looking for. So I hope that this video was helpful for you. This is something which I personally also do exactly like this, whatever I have shared in this video. So a lot of times people ask me that, what kind of highlighter you're using or you use normally. Trust me guys, I don't use highlighters even in parties most of the time, and my skin glows like anything. And here I revealed my secret of having that glowing skin every time in every party and in every video. So now you can also follow that if you wish to, and you can have that results for your skin as well. So this was all about this video. I hope that you will try this, and you can check out the description box below to avail these products if you're interested in buying, or you can also use whatever you have following the steps the way I have actually explained. It will also give you results, not exactly what I'm telling, but of course it will help you in that as well if you're not planning to invest. But if you're planning to invest, I can swear by these 3 products which I personally use as well. So yes, you can check down the description below, and if you have any suggestions for me, like any topic, video topic, you can drop down that as well. I would definitely try to make videos on those topics as well and cover those topics. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel if you like it, because I share a lot of different kind of content related to beauty, makeup, fashion, lifestyle, empowerment, and a lot of other stuffs as well. So you might like that as well. And don't forget to check out my playlists, because I have different kind of playlists. So maybe you have clicked this video because you wanted to see this content. I have a lot of other content as well which can be really helpful for you if you check out. So yes, this was all about this video. I would like to see you in the next video, and you can also follow me on my Instagram handle. So this is my Instagram handle where I share a lot of fashion, beauty, makeup, lifestyle content which you can definitely love, and you can check out my bridal work there as well. So you can follow me there, and any kind of update about my workshops, about my classes, about my bridal makeup and everything, and about my YouTube videos as well, everything goes on my story. So if you are connected with my stories, you almost know everything whatever I do. So yes, that was all about this video. I would like to see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and definitely subscribe to my channel, because that would really mean a lot to me.